Welcome to Learn Sword and Typing with Vikas sir, exercise number 33। फाइनली आपका जो पंजाब एंड हरियाणा चंडीगढ़ हाई कोर्ट का आपका टेस्ट आ गया है 27 और 28 को। जिस बच्चे का 27 को है और या जिस बच्चे को 28 को है उन सब के लिए मतलब ये है कि आप जितने भी आपने प्रैक्टिस किया आप कॉन्फिडेंस से जाए और वहाँ पे आराम से करें, टाइप भी करें और वहाँ पे आराम से ही लिखें और एक दूसरे बच्चों का इधर जाके मत, नहीं तो आपका उसका तो है ही ख़राब, उसका भी रिज़ल्ट ख़राब जाएगा लेकिन आपका ही जाएगा। जो आपने लिखा है वही टाइप करें, एक दूसरे का ना जाके। इसी के साथ शुरुआत करते हैं एक्सरसाइज नंबर 33। 600 वर्ड्स आपके @100 वर्ड पर मिनट। सो बी रेडी, स्टार्ट। Pertaining to the convictions for the offence punishable under section 302 IPC, all accused so convicted have been sentenced to undergo imprisonment for life. The 4 accused who have been convicted for the offence have been sentenced to undergo imprisonment for 3 years and pay a fine in sum of ₹1,000 in default of payment of fine to undergo rigorous imprisonment for 1 month. The second point urged before the learned trial judge noted in para 33 of the impunged decision is that 9 people had taken part when she was burnt. It was impossible that Kamlesh was set on fire as stated by her. It was highlighted that the vacant floor space in the room was merely 35 square feet in which 10 persons could barely squeeze. In this connection, as a limb of the same argument, it was urged that as per Kamlesh, after her husband threw kerosene oil on her. Next paragraph. Having perused the decision of the learned trial judge, we note that after noting the contentions urged that it was not possible for 10 people to fit into the room where Kamlesh suffered burn injuries, and the fact that the burnt pieces of clothes and ash were lifted from 3 different rooms in the house shows that Kamlesh ran and was not held down as claimed by her. We find that the learned trial judge has failed to deal with the said submission in the manner it was expected to be dealt with. If this is the manner in which Kamlesh was burnt, it is apparent that there was jostling inside the room with Kamlesh attempting to ward off the assault and she being pinned down, and even after she was set on fire she was continued to be caught hold of. Thus the learned trial judge has totally gone off at a tangent when the argument urged before the learned trial judge has been neglected by holding that 9 persons had entered the room not to stand there comfortably but to commit the offence. The scene in the house tells its own story of truth. The accused Rani and Nirmala are the sisters of her husband. They were married when the crime took place. Their husbands are Rampal and Ashok Kumar. We note that there is no evidence led by Rampal or Ashok Kumar as to where they were residing, but being the sons-in-law of the family, it is expected that they would not be residing in the same house in which the deceased was residing. Next paragraph. We concede to the submission urged by learned counsel for the state that all the accused have falsely stated when questions that the deceased caught accidental fire for the reason the place where Kamlesh was set on fire or caught fire is not the kitchen outside, whereof the plastic can and plastic bottle have been seized, but is the room where she probably slept with her husband. The question of Kamlesh catching accidental fire in the said room is totally ruled out, but we do not know as to how did what. Full stop. Having found serious improbability in the version of Kamlesh, we have no other material on which we can segregate the role of the accused. Before proceeding further, we may note that there is evidence of Kamlesh having a grudge against each and every member of the family. We note that she was an accused in a complaint lodged by her Bhabhi Manju, and that is the reason why she has even inculpated Manju, whose involvement is obviously an act of vengeance. Full stop.